Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be using a free tutorial and following that pattern, and that is from applegreencottage.com, and I will be doing the baby hat pattern. This is a free pattern. I'm just going to be trying it out and reviewing and seeing for all those other pregnant ladies, mothers, grandmothers, and friends who want to sew for a newborn baby. I am going to be using this cute safari fabric as my choice. It is a jersey knit fabric, and let's just see how this goes. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is CelesteOrchid. I've been cosplaying since 2005, sewing since 2006. If you are interested in sewing content, feel free to push that red button down below to subscribe to never miss out on any future content that I create. I am currently 34 weeks pregnant in this current editing process. Hopefully I get this out fast. And I just want to see how far this is going to go. If you have any questions or anything, make sure to leave it in a comment down below. I will respond to you when I get the chance. If you like this stuff, make sure to subscribe. Okay, let's go ahead and start pinning down this pattern. Now, I already printed out the pattern and cut it out so that way, you know, it looks different. I am going to have a newborn next month, hopefully, not this month. And so let's just see how well this little pattern is to make a little baby hat. So I'm going to show you, this is how I normally do it. I unfold all of my fabric and just take one little edge and fold it over just so I can salvage as much of the fabric as possible. And that way I don't just cut directly on the fold. And then see how it says place on fold here. I'm going to make this my fold there, and then it's perfect. So then I have all the rest of this fabric and I didn't cut in the direct center. Just trying to show that there is a sustainability with pattern placing. Now all I had to do is pin this and cut it out. I'm going to be using my Singer S010L overlock machine for assembling these pieces now that they're cut out. She instructs you to sew the band first, so we'll do that. So I sewed it together. Now what you want to do is flip it like so. And we're just going to keep it like this and make sure all of these edges fit each other nicely. And it's curved. I'm not going to pin it just yet. Nice. It's all flipped relatively where it needs to be. Hooray! Okay, so that part is done. Now for this part, I do believe we do the darts first. So let me go ahead and take this out, and then we are going to sew these parts, the little petal pieces, together first. So I have both these little curved pieces, very nice. I'm going to align right sides together at each point, and now I'm just going to sew the entire perimeter, and we'll go from there. Now that I got the outside perimeter done, I just need to line one of these edges up with the seam here. So let's go ahead and flip it inside out to reveal a cute little base of a hat. And now I'm just going to align the edges, making sure that all of it is symmetrical. Let's see, if I do it this way, yeah, I guess it's fine. Let's go this way then. So we'll put the cap on the inside, and then when we flip up his hat, look at this cute little fold. Yeah, so we're gonna do it that way. Again, I'm not going to use pins for this because I'm using my serger, and the serger, I don't want to break a needle immediately. So I'm just going to take it real slow. So we're going to start there, place it in, and slowly feed it in. If you guys haven't checked out my review and unboxing of this sewing machine or overlock machine, definitely check it out. It's on my YouTube channel. It's a great cheap serger if you can find it at a store near you. And so let's go ahead and start this bad boy. Did I not? Nope. Make sure to put the foot down and we'll keep going. And so this is what it looks like. I sewed the base outwards a little bit because I know I'm going to flip it upwards, and that way it's not going to be too many raw edges against his little head. But look how adorable this is. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute little pattern. This is for a newborn, so tiny baby head. This one goes up to a baby large. I forget how big, but this is the finished hat. This was super easy and you just saw me complete it. Obviously, because I filmed this process, it took me a lot longer, but this was like a 10-minute project. Highly recommend. The link will be in the description if you want to make your own baby hats and just have the cutest little fabric and make something special for your little ones. Highly recommend. And that is just a little review of the apple green cottage baby hat pattern and showing you how to make a baby hat. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to click subscribe if you enjoyed this content. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in a comment down below and like this video. Remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you with the future video. Bye!